default radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, the test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for watches in mornings affecting Maricopa and northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. The 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Wednesday, June 8th. At Sky Harbor, it was mostly sunny. Visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 98 degrees. Dew point 52. Relative humidity 21%. Wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. And the pressure was 29.83 inches.